Selling tires is complicated. Most of the time, you need to have both the product knowledge of an ever-evolving list of SKUs while also being able to understand the needs of each individual customer, all while understanding the art of persuasion. And I'm not talking about the pushy kind of persuasion, but the kind that builds trust, credibility, and long-term relationships. So here are 10 quick tips to help you sell with integrity and close your next sale more confidently. Number 1, show your expertise. Hang your certifications, training awards, and ASE credentials where customers can see them. People trust a visible proof of knowledge. 2, use what you sell. If you tell customers a specific tire is the best, they should be able to find that tire on your own car. Credibility starts with consistency. Number 3, find common ground. Talk about something you both care about. I don't care if it's sports or local events or family or tacos or whatever. People buy more readily from people they like. Number 4, compliment their choices. When someone's looking at a set of tires and are adamant about what they want, tell them they made a good choice. Of course, let them know your opinion and offer alternatives if you disagree with their decision. But at the end of the day, the customer is going to buy what they want to buy. Small affirmations go a long way, so use this to your advantage. Number 5, give before you get. Offer the customer genuine attention and enthusiasm. The principle of reciprocity means customers mirror the energy that you give off. Number 6, ask for small yeses. Before jumping to the big close, start with small agreements like, "Can I show you something?" or "Want to see the difference?" These questions help to build momentum. 7, speak like an expert. Use words like recommend, advise, and suggest. They position you as a professional, not as a salesperson. Number 8, give a small gift. A branded key fob, a pen, I don't care what it is, but giving something away adds value and subtly reinforces gratitude. Number 9, lead with your top option. Start with your best or most premium package and then work down. Anchoring high makes the rest feel more approachable. And number 10, follow through. Do what you say you'll do and do it every time. Reliability is the most persuasive quality that there is. Master these 10 tips and I promise you'll earn trust that keeps customers coming back. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.